morning, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. My name is Humana and I am very tired. I did not sleep well last night at all, so I have no idea how long I actually slept, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was like an hour. My app says it's like 4.5 hours. If it says so, because I did not sleep well at all. It took a very long time to fall asleep. Very, very long time to fall asleep, so that was annoying, and I'm very, very sleepy still, but I gotta get up and start getting ready for the day. This load is already ready, and it was supposed to pick up 11 minutes ago, so let's go ahead and get all ready and go do that. Alright, we are all ready to go. All ready to go. Pre-trip is done. I did not find any issues with this truck or trailer this morning, so we're gonna go ahead and drive around the corner and pick up our little load. Yes, indeed. It is now 3 o'clock. Yes? Yeah, it's 3 o'clock, so not too bad. Not too bad. Anyways, let's go ahead and get going. Alright. We've dropped our previous trailer and we have connected to our new trailer. Sadly, this one is not a reefer, which is unfortunate. But hey, it'll be okay. I did not find any issues with this trailer, which is fantastic. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to check out of this facility and navigate to the first location, which is about 180 miles away. Yes, indeed. As soon as it'll load. Well, it wants me to go a different way that I'm not going, so screw that. I'm gonna go the way that I feel like going, which is faster. Well, the same amount of time, but a higher average speed limit, so. Anyways, I want to finish this slice of cake and then microwave 2 slices of pizza before I end up leaving here, so let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll get out of here. Ah, it's so cold! The rain is so cold! Ah! I'm having fun. It's raining. I'm at my first stop. They got 5 skids. Oh, it is raining so much. It's so cold. Look at that. That's cool. Alright. Let's get in the truck. Alright. If it is going to be this cold while it's raining, then I need to change clothes. Because I am not prepared temperature-wise for this cold of rain. So I'm gonna put a hoodie on. Yes, I'm gonna put it on over top of this wet-ass shirt. Actually, I think this one's dry. I might as well put that one back on since it was already wet and it needs to go in the wash anyways. But I also need to put pants on because it is too cold to not be wearing pants. So let's go ahead and change all that. Oh my god, I'm tying my boots and I just saw something. Holy holy damn. Hold on. I'm all dressed now, but let me show you this. Dude! Focus out there. You think I won't roll this window down with this rain? That is crazy. What? There's a lot of water coming down. Holy. And that drain clearly is not clean. Oh my goodness. Or it's not connected properly one way or the other. Anyways, it is 1939. And we are going to make our way to the next location, which is 18 miles, but it's gonna say it's gonna take a fat minute because of all of this liquid falling. Yes, I said liquid. Dude, I did not know. I wish I could permanently disconnect my AirPods from my iPad. But no, they're attached to the account. So if I disconnect them from my iPad, it disconnects it from my entire account. Which is aggravating. Very, very aggravating. Anyways, let's go drive in this. Alright. We are here at our last stop today. This place gets 7 skids. Everything is all good. I've just been trying to get done with all of these stops as quickly as possible so I don't get home too late because my ride needs to go to bed by a certain time, so I'm trying to move quickly. But I haven't had any issues at any of the other stores. I had gravy fall at the last store. So I think I got gravy on my boot, but other than that, all is good, all is good. Let's go ahead and go inside. I already called them. They're already in the trailer. That's what all that noise was. Let them know, or get this unloaded and start making my way home. Alright. We have made it home. All is good. We just took the puppy outside. She is now in the house and she is chewing her her stuffed dinosaur. So yes, but we need to transfer everything off of the phone onto the computer, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright. Well, I took a shower and I'm very tired. All the homies ended up getting off of Discord except for the one that passed out. But he's passed out, so he can't leave. And I just want to watch YouTube before I'm just gonna watch some YouTube and eat this macaroni before I go to bed, so let's do that. Alright, so here's the deal. I am incredibly tired and I'm going to go ahead and go to bed, so night. Alright, well, the puppy decided with her infinite wisdom to... Oh, that smells so bad. Why would you do that? In her infinite wisdom, she decided to roll in another dog's poop, so she needs a shower. And my roommate still has work tomorrow and should have already been in bed like 20 minutes ago, so and I just dropped her soap. The lid came off and now it is all over the floor. Alright, cool. Well, that's a thing. Can you even wipe that up? Puppy smells really bad. But it'll be okay. It'll be okay. But she did this to herself, so we're going to prepare the bathroom for puppy shower time. And she's gonna hate it. And she's gonna get over it. Because she did it to herself. So, if you didn't roll another dog's poop, you wouldn't have this problem. You can look as sad as you want, but no matter what, it's not gonna help you, puppy. You gotta get a bath. Yeah, it's your fault. It's your fault. You can be upset all you want, but it's your fault. You're the one that decided to go rolling poo. You are. Now you can go in there yourself and make this easier. Or I'm gonna drag you in there and you're gonna be mad. What's it gonna be? You can walk in there. You can walk in there yourself and make things so much easier and explore. Go on. Go on. Go on. Come on. Nope, hiding in the corner won't help you. Go on. Go on. You did this to yourself, puppy. Go on. Alright, well, it seems that I'm going to have to fight her. She is not going. Well, shower number 2, since there's no point in the, I don't know. She took a shower, so not she. Okay. I know I already took a shower, but where's my headband? Dude, I didn't see it in there. Oh, it's on my bed because I accidentally wore it to bed. Okay, that checks out. Oopsie daisy. She's afraid to jump through the curtains, so hopefully that'll keep her out. But I need to set all my clothes somewhere where she's not gonna get them wet. So, in the closet. Right here, in the closet, and I'm gonna have to take another shower, so let's go give her a bath. Alright, because I don't feel like moving clips around too much, today's vlog is until 9:49. So I'm gonna thank you guys for coming because, well, it's the end of the day. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So thank you for coming. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. If you keep coming back, why not go ahead and hit the bell so that you can get notifications every single time that I upload. If you're interested, you can also scroll down just a little bit farther. Take a gander at the description there. You can find the links to my Twitch, my Discord, my other YouTube channels, as well as all of my socials if you are interested in any of that. And of course, I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for the next daily vlog. And as always, phone hugs. And bye-bye.